Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into Coffee with Bagel. For that you need to open your app, and now you need to tap on I'm new here and tap on next button, and here you have to give them your location access, and you have to enter your phone number here and then tap on get started button, and they will send you a verification code on your message box. You just need to wait for it and paste it and tap on verify and continue button, and they will ask you if you would like to add your Apple ID. For now you can just skip it and tap on next button and give them access about your for your notification, and then tap on next button, again tap on it and tap on let's do it. And now you need to enter your first and last name, and then tap on you have to enter your email address over here and then tap on verify and continue, and they will send you a email on your Gmail. Just go and check it out, and that is our email. Just you need to click on that link, and then you need to copy this confirmation code and then paste it on your app, and then you have to select your date of birth. You need to enter your date of birth and tap on next button, and you need to tell them what you are looking for, and then tap on next button and tap on sounds good, and you need to tell them your gender, and then you need to tap on who you want to date and tap on next button, and again tap on next. And now you have to enter your, and after you add your pictures just tap on done button and then tap on next button, and you can skip it for now, and you have to tell them what's your highest degree you have earned and tap on next button, and just skip it for now. And you need to enter your height and tap on next button, and you need to tell them your ethnicity, and you can skip it for now, and they will ask you for your religion, and you can tell them, or you can simply skip it. And you have to tell what's your type, and after fixing all these tap on I'm done, and that is how you can sign up into your Coffee with, and that is how you can sign up in your Coffee with Bagel. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.